Alright, welcome to this particular video. Alright, in this video we're going to look at how to set up, how to set up WordPress on Xampp. So in the previous video we looked at how to download and install Xampp local server to your computer. So here we want to talk about how to set up your WordPress. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is to launch your Xampp. Remember, my Xampp is already launched, it's still here. Okay, and ensure that the Apache and my SQL, they're actually running. So it shows, shows that they're running. If I stop it, you discover that there is no value here. So if I start it, I start both of them. All right, so the PID and the port value, pops up. That's the first thing you want to do. Okay, so the next thing you want to do is to go to your browser and click on this. Just go to your browser and type localhost ph sorry, let me just put everything in small letter. PHP my admin. Please, this is it. Localhost / PHP my admin. So you go here, and then it brings you to the PHP, what's it called, interface. Then you click on databases, and you put in a database name. So in our example, we used web design. So this will be our database name. So you just leave everything here, then click on create. So haven't done this. The next thing you want to do is to download WordPress from WordPress official website. So just go to WordPress, sorry, WordPress. Just type WordPress and it will bring you to the official. So here is WordPress.com. Here is WordPress.com. Alright, then you just click here, and okay, sorry, that's a mistake. You're supposed to go to WordPress.org. Okay, so let's say WordPress.org dot org. Sorry, this is org. Is where you're supposed to go to. So this is where you're going to download the WordPress from. The WordPress what's it called, file. You click on get WordPress, then you say download WordPress. Okay, you can cancel this. So it's 23 MB. So you click on start download. I guess my download is fast. So let's wait for it to download. Okay, that's finished downloading. So you open the folder where it's downloaded, and for me, I usually have my folders, my software here. So I'll just paste this here. So okay, now I haven't downloaded it. Next I want to do is to unzip this file. Okay, is to unzip this file, or maybe just cut out this file and go to your C drive. Go to your C drive, then you go to XAMPP, then you go to htdocs, and you paste this here. You can just paste it here. Okay, then next thing you do is to unzip the folder. First of all, we can take this into this place, the web design folder we created earlier. We can move it here, and then possibly we can delete this one that we have here. And the next thing we want to do is to unzip. Right click and click on extract here. If you have, okay, so we have the files here. All right, so the next thing we want to do is delete this one. Can delete this, can be completed. Okay, let me delete. Okay, saying I have this opened, there is, okay, but it's fine. So we open this folder, and everything here, I select all everything, cut it, and bring it inside this place. Okay, bring it inside here. All right, so later we're going to delete this, or later you can delete this. So the next thing you want to do is to you see WP config example. You click on it and duplicate it. Just click on copy and paste. Okay. Then the W. So we are duplicating this in case anything goes wrong. Okay. You can always come back to use it. Okay. So we are going to edit this. This is the copy. This is the original file. This one, right? That came with the WordPress. You're going to right click on it and rename it. So what you're going to do is this, remove this, then click on enter. It has been renamed. Okay, so you double click on it to open it, or you open it in your notepad. Let me right click. Or let's see, open with. So let's open it with notepad. Okay, so it brings you here. So what you want to do is to give a is to replace the database name with a username. So you see something like DB name, DB user, DB password. Okay, DB name. So right here, you're going to put a database name. So right, we have been using web design since. So let's just stay with this. Then as the database name, then the database username, which is the user, this one here, we're going to replace it with root. Then everything else remains the same. Or you can take off the password. You can take off the password. Just remove the password. Just leave the password here so that you can easily log in. I haven't done that. Click on file and click on save. Okay. Now you're going to open your browser and type you're going to open your browser and type on your website. Okay, this is where we were the other time. So let's open another tab and type localhost web design. That's open here. I'll just click on it. Okay, so it brings you here. I mean English, obviously. Then click on continue. So this is where you're going to fill in some of this basic information. Your site title. Well, I'm just going to put anything here. Just put let's say my. I'll just put. Depends on you. These things can be changed later. Anyway, business. Let's say business or whatever. Okay. So you can put in. Maybe you can put admin as your this thing. Then maybe password. You can put anything because you're going to be using this. You're going to use so confirm your password. You're only using this offline, right? So when you're taking it online, you need to make all these things complex. Your password should be complex, but something you can remember. So the next thing is to confirm that confirm use of weak password. So you just want to have something simple that you can use to log in when you want. Then discourage search engines from indexing the site. Yeah, because you are just working offline. Next thing you do is click on install. You can save this. Okay, it said there is an email. I'm sorry. Okay, you can save this. You say there's an email. You can put in your email. For me, this is my email. Sorry, this is my email. Then confirm password. Confirm weak password. You click on install WordPress. Just hold on for a while. So you are successful. Everything has been done. WordPress has been installed successfully, right? Click on login. Then click on login because I've saved it already. Okay, so it brings you to WordPress. Voila. Okay, so this is offline. I can turn off my data and this thing will work. Let me even do that. I can turn my data anything and this thing will work. Okay, so everything is working offline. Actually, I forgot to turn off my data just to be sure, particularize this thing. So this is WordPress and you can do whatever you want to do. Excuse me, from here. Okay, thank you for watching.